friends, on this video I'm going to show you how you can set ringtone on Realme 11 Pro 5G. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. If you want to set ringtone, here you have to move on setting. After that, scroll on the down, and here you can see option of the sound and vibration. So friends, you have to click on sound and vibration. When you click on sound and vibration, scroll on the down, and here's your ringtone. So tap on ringtone, and here's the statement of use. Click on allow, and from here you can set ringtones. So from here you can select the ringtone. Okay friends, and if you want to set from your device, then here on this device, click on device, and from here you can set music from the music app or download ringtones, and from here is the recording. Okay, so you can set even the recording also if you want to set recording as ringtone. Okay friends, so just click on the back button, and if you want to remove your ringtone, you don't know, then you can check my videos how to remove ringtones. Okay friends, and friends, I just click on my back button, and after that here you can see notifications on. Even you can set the notifications on from here in this option. Okay, this is the notifications on, so you can remove also your notifications on, just clicking on none option. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.